What is going on, guys? JTM Off-Road here. I'm working on something that was supposed to take 2 minutes and already is going to take more than that. What I need to do is change out a spring for my gas door on the Avalanche because I thought that was what it was going to be. Turns out I already have it off. So I guess a lot of times this spring that's in here will go bad and need replaced. And as soon as I took it off, I was looking at this and I'm like, something looks like it was rusted and broke apart. Sure enough, looking at a video, there's a rod that goes in between these 2 points that this little lip goes around. So that's actually a really thin piece of metal too that goes through there. So I don't know how they ever thought that was going to last. So what I'm going to do is cut this bolt, put it in there, weld it, and see if it holds and see if that goes over. So hopefully this is gonna be a quick video. Hopefully this will actually fix it, and if there's anybody out there that's having the same problem, maybe this will work for you. If not, I don't know, I have to get a new door or something. But we're gonna go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna cut that head off, weld it in there, hope for the best. Alright, 2 little very not beautiful tacks in there, and hopefully that stays in place. So just gotta bend the spring back and hopefully that'll stay in place and work. Spring is in. And now does what it's supposed to do. So I'm gonna go bolt this in. It's kind of dark outside, so I probably won't film it, but I'll get it in and just show you afterwards. Is just really like 3 bolts. 2 bolts here that go on, and then there's another one that's on like the plastic shroud that you just have to like move to get out of the way and put this back in. So let's go put this back in, see how it works. As you can see, the door works. We'll see how it is driving around, because whenever I drive around right now, you know, sitting around or coming up to a stoplight or whatever, I'll look back and I'll see the doors open. I'll have to drive around, see if that door comes back open. It seems like it has tension on it now. Really, that bolt might be a little too big, but I don't know. I don't know for sure. You know, I had the spring, the new spring sitting right here. Should have thrown that on. We'll see what happens. I'll drive around a little bit and let you know. Alrighty guys, it's been about a week. Gas door has not come open once, so there just must be enough tension on that now with that bolt in there that I'm having no problems when I'm driving around and the door swinging open automatically. So I'd say this one's fixed. So if you have a gas door that's opening and it's not the spring and you lost that little rod, just go ahead and weld a little bolt in there. Worked great for me. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to like it, tell me what you think in the comments, click subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming projects and wheeling trips. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook to catch posts of videos in the making. See you next time.